Delilah, do you want to like go, I don't know, check out that waterfall or something?
Okay.
Go.
This is beautiful.
Yeah. Do you want to go at the top?
Yeah.
Ah! Oh my gosh, we're not even halfway there. So, where are the bathing suits? Because I want to go swimming.
I didn't bring any bathing suits.
I told you to bring bathing suits.
No, you didn't.
Well, I meant to. Can't you read minds, Delilah? Gosh. Go get the bathing suits.
It's not super sunny right now. Just gonna walk down this hill.
When is Delilah coming back? Delilah? What took you so long?
Here's the bathing suits.
I'm ready to go swimming!
Elizabeth,
Yeah?
we can't go swimming in a waterfall.
What?